Hi, this is Dan Hamilton with the Hamilton Real Estate Group at Coldwell Banker in Palm Desert, California. It's Monday, September 28th, and it's time for the Monday Minute, your weekly update on the local Palm Springs real estate market. Last week, our new listings dropped 9.9%, down from 503 the week prior. When we look at kind of our long-term trend, we can see that the new listings still are trending upward. This is the probably about the 8th week we've had them above 400 and 2 weeks of above 500. So we are seeing new inventory come back, and that's good news for the buyers. When we look at the buyer activity as evidenced by new escrows, that was down about 5.3% to 269. And when we look at the long-term trend with that, we can see that still there's a slight upward trend in the new escrows, and we'll keep tracking that to see if that strong buyer activity continues. Our closed transactions last week were down 3.5%, and you can see they've been down a little bit the last couple of weeks. One of the new charts I created this week, which I think is interesting, shows the closed transactions overlaid with the new escrows. And what you can see clearly, the new escrows are the green line, the closed transactions are the yellow lines. And you can see here the increase in new escrows resulting in the increase in closed transactions. So we're going to track this over time to see if that buyer activity and the closed transaction activity stays strong. There are some thoughts that some transactions are falling out of escrow a little bit more than normal because we have more buyers that are buying properties sight unseen. So we'll track that ongoing. When we look at our price reductions, those were down about 5.6% last week. So again, we're staying in that 200 and under range on price reductions. So we're not seeing material change in how people are pricing their properties for sale. When we look at the homes that were taken off the market last week, those that were put into hold, withdrawn, or canceled status, those are up 24%. So that's a little bit of an anomaly, as we haven't seen that big of a jump typically, and we'll monitor that ongoing to see if there are any trends there that we should be aware of. The average selling price last week was up about 3.4% to $480,619. When we look at the number for September, though, for the last 4 weeks of September, that was down about 1% to $482. So we may start to see a bit softening of that rapid increase in sale prices, and we'll monitor that ongoing to see if that stays true. So if you want to see all of the charts, including the new one that shows the new escrows versus the closed transactions, you'll find them online at www.themondayminute.com. Also, don't miss our monthly update, the one we just did for August. It's online at www.desertmarketupdate.com. So it's still a great market for sellers, and if you're thinking about selling your home, give me a call at 760-625-7229. I'll come over and give you my professional opinion on what your home's worth and show you our awesome marketing plan that's getting homes sold. And if you're a buyer still looking for a great home in the area, go to our website. You'll find a great search there at www.thehamiltonregroup.com. So thanks for joining me, and come back every week for the Monday Minute.